Hey folks, super cold out here today, below freezing. It just started snowing. It is 6 p.m. on Friday. So I'll go ahead and try to time lapse this thing out over the next 24 hours. And then hopefully this video will be something special for many people around the world that never see snow. All right, I know it's dark out here. Again, it's 6 p.m. The snow just started falling, and I mean, it's falling fast. So I'm gonna continue to try to do my best to bring this whole thing to you. Wish me luck, and let's see how this turns out in the next 24 hours. It's about 10 p.m. and we probably got about that much snow out here. I was just kind of brushing off about 3 inches of snow off my car. This is my snow brush, and yeah, it's coming down. It's amazing. Stay tuned for more. It's crazy, but I'm gonna enjoy this all the way. Hey folks, good morning. It's snow is really still coming down here. Amazing stuff. I'm sure you can see me a lot better than you did last night. It's in the 7 o'clock hour, and hey, more to come. Looks like we'll be getting more snow for the next up to 12 hours. So I'll be bringing you some more here shortly, okay? Stay tuned, stay with me. All right, good morning everybody. Oh my goodness. Whew. Okay, it's so cold out here. All right, talk to you later. Hey, how's it going, folks? Latest update, it's 12 noon, still snowing. Remember, we got started yesterday, Friday evening at 6 p.m. and now it's 12 noon on Saturday, and it's still snowing. Incredible. So, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and head back on in and get warm back up. I just wanted you guys to see what was going on and keep you posted.